So guys, before tayo mag-start, wash lang ako ng face and mag-toothbrush lang ako. So guys, katapos ko lang maghugas ng face and mag-toothbrush. So, let's start with skin prep. I'm using Pond's Bright Miracle Ultimate Clarity Serum. So, done na with my serum. Next is cream. I'm using Pond's Serum Burst Cream. Next ay sunscreen. It is a must, especially kapag outing kayo, like us, na hindi masira ang ating skin. So guys, done na sa skin prep. So, proceed na tayo sa makeup. Let's start with makeup primer with Dazzle Me. Next, foundation na tayo guys. So guys, I'm using Eye White Korea BBholic Everyday BB. So done na with foundation. Next ay setting powder na. Next, my eyebrows. Next is blush. So, ang blush ko guys is from Sassy Colors. I'm using eyeliner from Pink Flash. So guys, let's move on na sa DP kasi kailangan natin magmadali. Change na tayo ng clothes. Bye-bye! So guys, tapos na ako magbihis. Kasuot na lang ako ng accessories. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Sobrang gaganda na mga buddy. Kami makapagpadalit. Di po kami kakakain. Moral support. Pinito mo yung hotdog. Wala malalim! No! Bye guys. Bye bye guys.